Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change username in Windows 11. There are two methods available, so start with method number 1. First you need to tap on the start button and type control panel. You can see control panel application, just tap on it. Make sure to view by set as category, not a large icons. Now tap on user accounts and again user accounts. You can tap on change your account name. Okay, my account name is Bytebit, so you can change into new one. As an example, test name, and tap on change name. So this will change my Bytebit account into test name. You need to sign out once. Then once you sign in, you will be able to find the new name is appear as your user account. So the second method is change your name using Microsoft account via Microsoft website. To do that, tap on start button, go to setting, tap on accounts and tap on your info option. In here I am not connected with my Microsoft account, so you can't find the option to that. If you are connected with Microsoft account, so in here you will be able to find manage my Microsoft account option. So you need to tap on that one. It will be open your web browser and go to your Microsoft website. You need to sign in using your Microsoft account email and password. Then after you need to click on more actions option near your profile name. Then after select edit profile and click on edit name. Then after you can add your first name and new first name and last name. Then tap on save. So likewise you can change your username using Microsoft account also. So to do that you have to log in with your Microsoft account. In my case I am using local account, not a Microsoft account, so that's why I can't use that one. So these are the two methods you can use to change your username. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.